G'day everybody, this is John Seville. This is your executive summary for stock setups for the 11th of February. And today was a very important day in the market. Of course, Janet Yellen spoke about her faith or potential faith in the US economy. Kind of hard to read between the lines, but didn't seem too convincing. Of course, the market rallied early on and went straight up into its 9-day moving average at 1880 and then started to reverse. So again, still holding into that downward trend money flow going sharply underneath the 0% line, which is a very good sign for the shorts. So, of course, a lot of us are following a lot of the existing shorts and so forth in the market. So, what I thought I would follow, bring up to speed on today was my thought process behind some of the alerts we sent out today and some of the trades I took. First, of course, NUGT. We discussed that last night. Talking about the respect of the moving average down near 36. Of course, this morning it tagged straight down into that area and has rallied since up to 43. Now, after market, since $36 low, we are now at a $47 high. I loaded up on the calls on NUGT, which I announced through the text message and email service today, and that is so far looking very strong going into tomorrow, so that should be a big win. Now looking in terms of the short side, we're looking at AMZN, or Amazon, was one of the stocks that I highlighted, and if we just go to the 15-minute chart, you can see what happened. It kind of just rallied up into just a high of 504 and started to fail. So why did I start to short this company and buy puts again there? Well, let's have a look back at the daily chart. We can see that obviously the S&P was rallying into the 9-day moving average, and Amazon at the same time, as we bring up the daily chart, was hitting its. So there we go. As you can see, straight up into the moving average, right at that same exact price. And that was one of the signals for me to start tacking back on those put positions. Now let's talk about CRI as another one that we, of course, announced put positions on today that I took. And we bought I bought the June $80 puts. The key thing for this was looking at, again, if you go back into the 5-minute chart, what I saw here was a prominent head and shoulders pattern. So basically, we're looking at this, and we had the head, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and then the breakdown. And that was coming down with pretty heavy volume on the downside. So that once again was another reason why we decided to jump into the puts ahead of the original breakdown target that we had talked about yesterday. So again, looking into tomorrow's market, the gold is rallying hard in the overnight futures. The S&P is down, last time I checked, about 12 points. So we should be heading into negative territory tomorrow, but it's going to be a very interesting market and hopefully lots of money made. So ahead of that, I'm looking at no new positions. I'm very, very happy with what we've got already. And of course, just a reminder, ALNY does report aftermarket tomorrow. One thing to note is that there was a heavy insider buy just a couple of weeks ago on ALNY. So I did take half of my position out today, which was up from 490 to 16 something, and I think we sold at 18. So a significant profit already made. So we just decided that, I decided that there was time just to take a half position of profit out of that, just being on the conservative side of possible positive earnings. Okay, guys and girls, that's it for tonight. Happy trading. Hope to see you again tomorrow night. Take care.